love numbers, then you'll love this. Let's count from 1 to 10. Let's start with the number 1. 1. Now let's try number 2. 2. Here comes number 3. 3. Look, it's number 4. 4. High five for number 5. 5. 6 is next. 6. Lucky number 7. 7. 8 is great. 8. Almost there. 9. 9. And finally the big one, number 10. 10. Great job. Now say each number from 1 to 10 loud along with me. Let's repeat. Count along with me, children. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Wonderful kids. Now let's spell them together. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. You did it. Fantastic counting and spelling, everyone. Once again, let's spell them together. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. Excellent. Now try finding numbers around your house or drawing them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beat Lab Kids TV for more fun videos. See you next time!